Well, hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. This is the big day where our stolen McLaren 570S was recovered and brought back to me. So I have possession of the car. It's not pretty. There's a lot that I'll need to address, but the good news is the car is here and back with me. So we'll take a little win. Pardon me while I get back in the car. I haven't sat in this car in a long time. All right, so we're in the McLaren. We're starting the McLaren. Doesn't sound great. I remember what this car is supposed to sound like. It's got 30,735 miles now. It's throwing some fault codes. It's got no fuel in it, but that's nothing new. It never did, so that's fine. I'll deal with that. But yeah, you're gonna hear a lot about this car, about what happened to us, to the car. You know, all that stuff is kind of forthcoming. It's a sad story. It's a cautionary tale, you know, for everyone who wants to be on the right side of the law, tries to believe in the good in people. Sometimes we're not rewarded for those beliefs. It sucks. I mean, it's hard, right? No one should have to deal with these kind of situations, but it happens. It's part of life, it's part of business, and I'm gonna showcase this car in a lot of different ways in terms of what happened to us, how not to let it happen to you. The story is gonna come out, and I'll also be showing kind of getting this car back into good shape to be sold wherever it's going. You know, we want the car to be healthy and to be having a fair market value. So that's what's going on. And yeah, you're gonna have to bear with me on this one. It's definitely quite an adventure, but it's one that I'm happy to share. And it's great that the car is finally home. You know, we've been working for months to recover this car. So to have it back, you know, it feels really good. I'm excited, I'm happy, even though the car needs a lot. It's not the car I last saw when it left my care. But, you know, that's life. So thanks for watching. Share the video if you don't mind. This is one I actually want some help with. I definitely want news getting out so that people can start thinking about it and asking the right questions. You know, we don't want this to happen to other people. No one deserves to have property stolen from them, whether it costs $100 or well over $100,000. It's a dirty feeling. It's not good. I wouldn't wish it on anybody. So McLaren is home. Long live the McLaren. Thank you for watching. Take care, everyone. Have a great day. Bye-bye.